Hi, my name is Seung-been Lee, and I go by Steven. I'm currently a fourth year PhD candidate at the University of Washington, or UW in short. I'm also an international student from Korea. I've been at the UW for 9 years, and here is my UW story. I hope you enjoy it. As far as I can remember, I always grew up determined to be a doctor. Both of my parents are doctors in Korea, and following in their footsteps seemed a very natural thing to do. So when I first arrived at the UW for my undergraduate in 2010, I chose biochemistry as my major, which would prepare me for medical school. All of that changed my second year, however, when I enrolled in Biology 200. During the lecture, we're learning about how DNA is the blueprint of all life forms, and I basically fell in love with DNA because of its novel power to define an organism. At that point, the classroom was not enough to quench my thirst in learning more about DNA, so I started doing undergraduate research with Professors Bonnie Brewer and M.K. Raguraman at the Department of Genome Sciences. In the lab, I studied DNA replication using yeast as a model organism. Time and experience in the lab only confirmed my interest in DNA. Eventually, I called up my parents in Korea and told them that I wanted to become a different kind of doctor, a philosophical doctor, aka PhD. So I worked in the Brewer and Raguraman lab as an undergraduate researcher until I graduated in 2014. I stayed there as a postdoc research scientist for an additional year. Then in 2015, I began my PhD training at the same department, Department of Genome Sciences, because I loved the UW, the people here, and the city Seattle so much. For my PhD, I've been working under the guidance of Professor Debbie Nickerson, whom I'm very thankful of because of all the opportunities and resources that she has provided me. For my PhD thesis, I have developed a computer tool named Stargazer that can translate human DNA sequence information into prediction of individual drug responsiveness, which can help inform doctors on drug choice and dosing. If everything goes as planned, I will defend my PhD thesis in June of this year. Just as how the UW has helped me find and grow my passion in doing research, I have also used the UW as a platform to empower others to do the same through my involvement with KSEA, which stands for Korean American Scientists and Engineers Association. KSEA is a non-profit national organization that promotes networking amongst Korean and Korean American scientists. For the past 5 years, I've been leading a student-organized local KSEA group based at the UW to create various academic events where UW students, especially those with Korean heritage, can be exposed to research. A huge shout out to Professor Dr. Jong Yoon at the UW Bethel, who has tremendously helped me lead my UW KSEA team. Through my KSEA experience and interactions with many UW students, I learned that doing research is very fun, but also helping others get exposed to science is equally rewarding. And these experiences have been crucial for my formulating a personal goal to become the Minister of Science in Korea one day and help many young Koreans become scientists. In summary, during my 9 years at the UW, I earned a college degree, I received multiple scholarships, including Mary Gates, I worked as a full-time research scientist, I will be earning a PhD degree, I published a number of peer-reviewed journal articles, I licensed my program Stargazer through UW Commotion, and I have run a UW registered student organization, namely UW KSEA, to empower other UW students. So I think it's pretty fair to say that I've consistently made the most out of my time at the UW, and I am forever grateful for the UW community for that. Thanks for watching.